We are in the Ubud area today, and we're doing a cooking class this morning. We're going to learn how to do Balinese food.
Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
The current's about to catch us. Does it feel all swirly? So we're between Bali over here and Java over there, and there are a ton of ferries that go across.
Every region of Southeast Asia, and even of Indonesia, seems to have its own distinctive characteristic style of fishing boat. Bali and Java are no exception. The fishing boats here are incredibly colorful and ornate. Did we collect some things last night? Stuck in the bridle. Well, you're getting a lot of it.
The boat is filthy again.
Yeah,
The water was brown. Brown rain.
Brown rain after just cleaning it last night. Yeah.
I
think we just come.
It's possible.
Are you on video?
I am.
Alright.
This is sad. So that might look concerning, but you can see this is supposed to be land. But look at our radar. Oops. Showing us where land is.
It's 500 meters away from where its charted position is.
Yeah. You see all the lights out here, you would think, oh, there must be land over there. But no. These are fishing boats. A city of fishing boats out there. to Bali this morning. Back to Bali. We were in Bali, then we went to Java. Now going back to Denpasar area, which is where we're going to be in the marina for a couple of weeks. Some kind of fish farm or maybe a pearl farm. I got half of it. So Kevin's father brought this book when he visited when we were in Thailand. So I've been reading it, and it's really neat. They talk about the tectonic plates. You can see the ridge along here of the two different plates, which is what causes this big chain of volcanoes. And also talks about the Wallace line, which you can see here in the contour. There's different fauna and flora on each side. It's kind of fascinating. I'm enjoying it.
The dolphin.
I don't think so.
Big dolphins, is it?
I don't think they're dolphins. What?
Fishing line?
That's
No,
okay.
they never touch it.
No.
They are too smart.
Yes, come under the boat. Cool.
Put them in the water. Hi.
Oh, he just went deep.
Cool, yeah. So this is Benoa Marina, Bali. A bit more industrial than I envisioned. Okay. Bye. Bye. Boop.
All right.
Off to Singapore they go. They gotta do a visa run.
Green some boat.
We are in the Ubud area today. And we're doing a cooking class this morning. We're gonna learn how to do Balinese food. Okay. And this is our guide, Rian.
Hello.
So this is the traditional style of Balinese houses.
A lot of detail, like
A lot of
attention to form.
it's always open like this. Pass away or die in a family.
My name Ayu. Normally in one compound like this there are many families. 5 families, 6 families living together. It depends how many sons the parent have. Because the son will be stay with the parents. When he get married, he will bring his wife to stay here. Yeah, and then they will look after us when we are getting old.
Okay, I understand. Because that.
You can bring home, and then you can try to make it at home.
You try.
Yeah. So maybe you can find some of the ingredient in Asian supermarket.
This is how we do the rice in the traditional way, by steaming process and then with firewood. And the water in the steamer only this much, not too much, because we are afraid the water will stressing if it's too much. For the steaming, we have here bamboo basket to put the stuff inside, to keep it inside. And this is the clay pot for the lid. And the rice is here. Yeah, you can take a look. You can come closer to take a look. That's a white regular rice that we have every day. Yeah, 3 times a day. Yeah, breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything with rice.
We're slicing.
Choppy chop.
We need to add coriander seed. 1 spoon coriander,
It looks the same.
white peppercorn, look like the same, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, very similar.
And the black peppercorn. And also cloves. Cloves, just 3. Not 1 spoon. Because it's very strong. Yeah. Okay. So now, follow me. We go to the Balinese gym.
Okay.
Go to the gym, yeah. So we need to pounding
Okay.
until we come like a paste.
Wish there was smell-o-vision. Smells delicious.
Vegetable not too soft, yeah, like a medium crunchy.
Tuna.
So place it every portion and then roll all the way. All the way, like a making sushi.
And it gets steamed.
Special sauce.
Yeah. A little bit of pepper. Palm sugar syrup.
2 spoons pumped sugar syrup.
Okay. Half spoon fried shallot.
Half spoon fried shallot.
Garam, salt.
Garam. To make the yellow sauce become one with the minced chicken and also with the shredded coconut.
Oh, I had my finger in front of it.
We have bamboo stick. Instead of bamboo stick, you can use lemongrass or sugar cane.
You're just squeezing around the end of the stick.
Chicken stew with
Chayote, which she said you could substitute.
zucchini or... Yeah, okay.
Chicken.
Magic sauce. Of course, magic sauce. Yeah, the green one. Can substitute this in syrup.
Coconut cream if you want to make a
Coconut cream
curry.
become curry.
Now we're doing tempeh and tofu,
I'm gonna do more coconut.
coconut oil, everything in coconut oil. Salty soy sauce, sweet soy sauce already went in.
Palm sugar syrup.
And that's part of the
That's the
Adobe
palm sugar.
There's enough left to go around.
Smells
You
fantastic.
love oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, you can add 1 teaspoon. We have blends of the bean sprout. We have boiled long bean, shredded coconut, and coffee lime. A little bit magic sauce.
Big spoon fried shallot, big spoon fried garlic, teaspoon of salt. The best part, peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce and any vegetables you want. Okay. Now you're just mixing it around?
Yep, mixing.
Offer
Ketchup manis.
ketchup manis. I just treat you like my family.
Thank you.
And then now we're plating your food in a nice plate with a nice garnish, and we will serve as a buffet. Now it's lunch time.
Okay, okay. Ooh, thank you. This is the clear mushroom soup.
Steamed rice. This is a Balinese chicken satay. Steamed tuna, wrapped in banana leaf. Deep fried tempeh tofu with a sweet soya sauce. Balinese salad, gado-gado, chicken stew. So this is all your food. You have to finish all.
Whew, okay. Challenge
Balinese
accepted.
style.
It's Balinese style is rice in the middle, everything on the outside. Must have been good.
Empty plates?
People would sit here and meditate.
It's a Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Ganesha. So that's why.
You think it's going to be right? I think it's going to be right. Yeah.
The tree is a secret tree. Yeah, so we believe there's some spirit who lives in the tree. Okay? So nobody dare to cut it down.
So the stone is actually that's something over here.
Now,
Bit of water in there today, and we don't know why.
Trying to solve another issue, and of course we get two more issues. Water in there, hydraulic oil over here.
Huh.
Red.
Oh yeah. Okay, a fair bit of it. Well,
So have fun when I'm away, dear.
there goes Kevin. He's off on his Australia adventure to do his RYA certification testing and all that stuff. While I'm gonna hang here in Bali. Monica and Kai get back today. And blowjobs. Maybe see a bit of culture. There's supposed to be a cool celebration coming up next week. Nyepi. It's like the silent day. I'll tell you more later.